Okay, today we're going to install some headlights for a 07 to 13 Silverado, and I'm going to show you how to get to everything apart so we can get to the actual headlights and get them out, because there's a lot of things in the way to get them out before we can get them out. So first off, we need to start by taking these little trees out so we can take this top panel off. These ones are already coming loose, looks like. Look at that. 210s right here and here. And then we have to take off the inner fender well, because we have another bolt that holds the back side of the bottom corner. To get to it, I'm going to turn the steering wheel all the way to the left so I can get in there and get to the bolt. See, there's a bolt right here. We need to get this one out. And then we can pull this back away. Now back up in here, if you can see down in here, there is a bolt right there. I need to get in there with a 10mm ratchet wrench. So we're going to pretend I did this already, because I've already removed it and I left it out.
It's here.
Mm-hmm. It was a pain in my butt, so I left it out. Okay, now these don't come out very easy. They catch on this lip on the fender. So what you have to do is you have to push down on the bumper and try to wiggle it around until you get it out. So right here we have a push button. We push this down and release. So then once you get the headlight out, you're going to have to remove your wiring harness from the back of the light to install in the new headlight. And this looks like Torx. Maybe I can get it out of there. Yeah, I got it. So we'll look at the headlights and recognize that the mounting points look the same between the two. And also, this mounting headlight or spot is the same on both of them. The same hooks. But look at the difference. That's much more prettier, don't you think? And it's going to have this accent glowing right here. It's going to look really nice, the daytime running lights, which we're going to have to wire in to the blinker lights that run all the time, for these to run all the time. That means we're going to have to cut in or splice into these wires. We're going to have to plug them back in, find out which one's hot at all times, and then we can splice these hot and colds into it. So we'll have that set up. Okay, next, we'll plug it in. And we need a test light.